Today we are going to see Standard 5th Moral Science. The lesson name is The Pride Comes Before a Fall. Come, let us move to the video session.
Standard 5th Moral Science. Lesson number 3. Pride comes before a fall. Words of wisdom. A proud person does more harm to himself than to anybody else. This is the words of wisdom. If you are a proud person, you will do only harm to yourself, but you will not do anything harm to others. In this words of wisdom, we have to be a proud person. We can harm ourselves, but we should not harm others. Brain was a son of wealthy merchant. That means Brain is the son of very wealthy merchant. That means he was a very rich people. Her father was very rich in that town. He did not have any brothers or sister. Brain did not have any brothers or sister. He is a single children in our home. He went to the best school in town. In a town, he went for the best school. That means he want to study nicely and he want to select the best school in the town itself. So he went and joined in that school. Brain had everything that whatever the 13 years old boy will have. The same but he was very much pampered and loved by everybody around. He was pampering others and loved by everybody who's around us. Brain became a proud boy. He was not kind or helpful to anybody. That means he was very proud boy. He will make ourselves proud and everything in whatever he does, he will be very proud. He will not be kind at all. He will not help even a single person or poor people, whoever it may be. They may be in a poverty or beggar. He will not help anybody. He spoke rudely to everyone. Whenever we are speaking to a friend or anybody else, how we will speak? We will speak very silently and softly. But here Brain is a boy who speaks very rudely to everyone. The teacher did not like him. So because of that, the teacher did not like him. They thought him to be very impolite. That means they thought he was very impolite, but nothing was not like that. He loved to tease his classmate. Whoever is there in the class, he will tease everyone. One day, Brain was sitting in the class. So, whenever he was sitting in the classroom, the other children happened to pass by. While he was passing, Brain put his leg out. That means he put his leg out, so the poor children tripped and fall on the ground. That means whenever you put a leg on the other, what will happen? They will be falling down. The same like every time the Brain was doing. Seeing this, Brain and his friend started laughing. So everybody laughed at the boy who slept. So we should not do like that. Brain was always admiring his good looks. He thought himself to be very smart. That means Brain was very much admired by a good look. He will be having a good look, so he will be admired that. He thought himself to be a very smart guy. He thought himself as a very smart person. He was very fond of wearing good clothes. In a school, there will be many poor people and rich people will be there. But always the Brain will wear good clothes. Whenever we went out, always he will think that everybody was looking at him. Like that he will be thinking of. So, whenever we are going out, we should not be very proud. We should be very kind to other people. We should help other people. This is a very good habit in our life. So don't be proud. Brain disliked poverty. That means, I have already said, Brain will not like anybody who is there very poor people. He did not like the sight of badly dressed children on the road. That means whoever is sitting on the roadside very badly dressed. For example, nobody will have a money to wear a good cloth. Like that person, the brain will not like it. Whenever some beggars came towards the car, he could ask the driver to shoo the poor fellow away. So, whenever the brain is going in the car, they will come and ask the beggars will come and ask the driver to give some money or things. But whenever the brain is seeing the poor people, he will make the fellow away. Brain loved the rich and expensive things in life. That means brain always loved the rich and expensive things. Expensive means the thing very very costly. He did not like anybody who was not rich. So, whoever is not rich, the brain will not like that. So, what we have to do? We should not be, as a student, we should not be like that. We have to love even the poor people and the rich people. We must be same to everybody. We are the common and good people to everyone. We should not show our attitude to poor people and we should not show our attitude to our rich people. We must be common to others. One day, when Brain reached home from school, he saw that many people were gathered there. One day, when Brain was reaching from the school, that means he is returning from the school to the home, he saw that many people were be gathered in the home. When he saw his mother's face, he knew that something was wrong. He has think that something was wrong because of mother's face was dull. On seeing him, his uncle took him to one corner and whispered. That means our uncle made the Brain to take him to the one corner of the place and he whispered. Whispered means he was telling something. Your father had taken money from lot of people. He is under a debt. That means if you have taken lot of money from other people's, what they will do? They will be very very angry to kill you. The same like your father has taken so much of money from the other people and he misused the money. We have to vacate this house because now it has been sold to anybody else. Brain could not believe his ears. He ran to his mother and asked the truth. She nodded her head. That means a father has cheated everybody by getting the money. So what we have to do? We have to, at sudden, we have to vacate the house. Where we have to go? They don't know where they have to go. Her mother has nodded her head and we have to move from this place. So let us see what Brain is going to do nowadays. Brain ran upstairs to gather his toys, but he was not allowed to take anything expensive from the house. That means Brain ran upstairs to take all the toys which is there in our house. But nobody allowed Brain to go upstairs because everything was very expensive. You should not take even a single thing from your house. The house has been locked. There was no car to take them away. Always the Brain will be going in a car, but there is no car to take them away. All the good clothes were left behind. That means all the good clothes was inside their home, but he cannot take even a single cloth. He was wearing only the uniform as well as the bag he was having in a hand, whom he always teased as poor uncle. So the poor uncle only he has to take Brain to their home. His father was sad man. He stopped going out or speaking to anybody. That means her father was very sad. He did not go out to speak somebody or anybody. Brain had to leave the school because his uncle could not afford to send him to give such an expensive school. That means he cannot pay the fees to expensive school. That means whenever they are very rich, a father will pay the money to the school, but always what will happen? The poor people who is very poor, they cannot give a lot of money to pay in their expensive school. So our uncle said, you can leave the school because I cannot pay a lot of amount to the expensive school. He walked to the new school with his cousin. Now what he is doing? Brain is moving to the next school with the cousin. Brain had no longer disliked the poor. Now what happened? He will dislike always the poor people, but there is no offer to go. He want to go and join in the way the poor people are studying, but Brain did not like that. Always he will be very rich, and always he will be very proud, but this moment he will realize that what is going to happen now. Brain had become so proud that he did not give proper respect to God's reaction. So God has punished him. He has taken all the good things away from the brain, and he has made that everybody is equal in this world. We have to give respect to poor people as well as to the rich people. That is correctly said. Pride comes before a fall. Here the lesson says pride comes before a fall. We should not be very proud even if you are poor or rich. If you are very rich, we should not be very proud at all as a brain. So God has seen everything. After seeing everything, what happened? They have punished the brain. I hope you all understood about the lesson. Pride comes before a fall. Thank you, students.